Hello everyone, my name is Said Awsar and today I want to share with you a demo project that I recently built. The project is a blog application that I have cloned both in terms of design and functionality from the popular social network for software developer dev.to. The blog application is a single page application, which means that it operates within a browser without requiring any page reloading during use. To build this application, I used ReactJS for front end, and also I used and design for the UI components along with NestJS for the backend, also Postgres for the database. I wanted to showcase my skills in creating a full stack web application, and I thought that creating a clone of dev.to will be a great way to do so. I hope you enjoy the demo, and please let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for your time. Now let's take a look at the demo. The first thing you will notice when you enter the app is the navigation bar. This navbar contains an input search and two links, the login and the register page. Because we are not authenticated, the login and the register links are displayed. This is the home page of the app. Is divided into two sections. The left sidebar contains the links to the home page, reading list page, and tag page. On the right, you will see a list of all the posts ordered by the published days with the latest post at the top. You can scroll through the list infinitely to find more posts. This is the post preview card. It contains a title of the post, the tags, the number of comments and reaction, and also the save button. At the top of the card, you will see author's name, picture of author, and also the published dates. One of the great features of the app is the ability to save posts to your reading list. However, to do so, you need to be authenticated. If we try to save post, the warning message will appear. This warning message telling us to create account or login to be able to save this post. Now let's move to the tags page. On this page, you will see a list of all the tags used in the blog post. The number of posts in each tag is displayed next to the tag name, making it easy to see the popularity of each tag. The most frequently used tags are displayed first, so you can easily find the topics that are most relevant to you. You can also scroll through the list infinitely to see all the available tags. In addition to browsing through the tags, you can also search for a specific tag by name. Let's try to search for the term Java. As you can see, there are two tags containing the word Java, JavaScript and also Java. By clicking on the JavaScript tag link, you will be redirected to a page dedicated to JavaScript tag. Let's take a look at this page now. As you can see at the top of the page, there is the name of the tag, and below it there is two sections. On the left, you can see the number of the posts that are related to this tag, and on the right section of the page, you can see all the posts related to JavaScript, and they are ordered by the dates they were published with the latest post appearing on the top. You can scroll through the list infinitely to see all the posts of JavaScript tag. Now we are moving to demonstrate the search feature. In this section, we will be showcasing the search feature. You have the ability to search for posts, tags, and users. Let's start by searching for a post. Let's try to search for the posts that have the word e-commerce in the title or body of the post. As you can see, we have two posts with that contain the word e-commerce in the title or body of the post. Let's now see if there are any users or tags with the same word. Unfortunately, there are no user or tags with the word e-commerce. Now Let's try to search for a user with the name Susan. And as you can see, we have a user with the name Susan Wilson. Finally, let's search for a tag. Let's try to search for a Flutter tag. As you can see, we found a post that title contained Flutter, and there is a Flutter tag also in the tag. If we try to enter to Flutter, we'll find just one post. To view all the post users and tags in the dev blog app, simply click on search icon without entering any text. We clear search input first. As you can see, the filter displays all the posts with infinity scrolling. Also, the list of all users joined to the dev blog app. Finally, the list of all tags. Now, we will take a look at the profile page of specific user on our blog. To start, let's navigate to the list of users. From there, we will choose one of the users to visit their profile. Let's take a look at the username James Smith. This is the profile page of the user James Smith. As you can see, there is a lot of information about the user. At the top, you will find the user first name, last name, bio, join date, along with profile picture. Below this, there are two sections that provide further information about the user. The left section displays the number of posts that the user has written, as well as the number of comments they have made. On the right, you will find a list of all the posts that the user has published, ordered by the date they were published with infinity scrolling. Because we have just 6 posts, there is no more posts to show when we scroll bottom. Now let's explore another aspect of the app, which is the registration process. Let's dive into the process of creating a new user on our app. First, click the register link in the navbar. This is registration page. To get started, simply enter your first name and last name. And also a unique email. And unique username. First, let's try to enter existing username William. '24. And also password. And click register. As you can see, we have an error message, username already existed. Let's try to enter a unique username. Once all the information is entered correctly, click the register button. As you can see, the successful message appears saying your register was successful, try to log in. Now that we have created a user account, let's move on to the login page. This is the login page. Let's enter our email and password. As you can see, we entered incorrect information. That's why the error message displays. Now let's try enter correct password. As you can see, we redirected to our profile page. One thing you will immediately notice is that the right section of the navigation bar has changed to drop-down menu with options for our profile, creating post, settings, logout. At this point, we will see that our profile does not have an image or bio yet. So let's head to setting options and drop down to complete our profile information. In settings section of the apps, users have the ability to change their personal information and customize their experience. In the left sidebar, provide access to different sections, include profile settings, where users can update their first name, last name, email, and other details. In the account settings, user can reset their password. And in the customization settings, user can switch between a light and dark mode. After making changes, user can save their update by clicking on Save button. Now let's try to add profile pictures, also bio. And click Save button. As you can see, we update our information successfully, and profile picture in the drop-down menu changed to our picture. By visiting our profile page, we will see that profile picture and bio updated. Now let's create a new post. Simply click on your profile image in navbar and select create post option. On the create post page, you have the option to add a cover image. It's optional. Simply choose a cover from your file system. Enter the post title. Select the relevant tags. Now let's try to add text body. Use the rich text editor to format the body of the post. You can add image, videos, and links. Now let's add image. As you can see, this is our post after formatting text and adding image. Once you have finished creating your post, click published. And you will receive a success message, post added with success. You can find your post in the list of posts in your profile. Click the title to preview your post and see how it's look. As you can see, this is the page of our post. This is the cover we choose, tags we select, and also the body. As creator of the post, you have the ability to edit it whenever you like. Simply click on edit and you will be taken to the edit page. Here you can update cover, change the title, add or delete tags, and update the body of the post. Let's remove cover. Change JavaScript by React in title. And also remove JavaScript tag and add React. Then update the body. When you are done, simply click on publish and you will receive a success message, post updated with success. Let's check our post page to see if the changes have been made. As you can see, the cover removed, the post title updated, and also tags and body. Now we are moving on to the demonstration of the post page. Let's choose this post how to fix syntax error, invalid character in Python. This is the page for specific post. Here we will be able to see all the information related to a particular post, including reactions, comments, post body, post title, and the order of the post. On the left sidebar, we will be find a number of buttons, including the like button with the number of likes, a comments button with the number of comments, a save button with the number of people who saved the post. Because we are authenticated, we will be able to like. As you can see, the number of like changed to 8 and save post to our reading list. If we refresh the page, we will see that the like and save buttons still highlight. Now let's see what happens when we log out. If we try to like post, we will see a warning message. It will ask you to log in or register in order to perform those actions. Now let's log in again to continue our exploration. Let's move on to the main section of the post page. We will see information about the order, picture, and the name, the date the post was published. We will also see the title of the post, the tags, and the body. As well, the comment section, where you can add your own comments and view and comments made on the post. Let's try to add new comments. As you can see, this is the comment we added. Lastly, the right sidebar contains information about the order, like the name of order and also bio and also join dates. Now we'll be taking a look at the reading list page. As we can see, the reading list page is where we can find all the posts that we have saved for later. Right now, we have just one post we saved later. Let's choose 4 posts that we want to save and then see if they have been added to our reading list. Let's choose this post and also this, and this. Let's return to the reading list page. As you can see, the 4 posts we selected are now displayed in our reading list, and we have 5 posts saved until now. One of the great features of this page is the ability to filter our reading list based on the tags. We can also search for specific posts in our reading list. Let's try to search for this post. As you can see, this is the only post we found. If we want to remove a post from our reading list, simply click on remove button and it will be removed. Let's try to remove this post. Now let's navigate to the forgot password process. First we log out. We are redirected to the login page, then click on the forgot password link. We are redirected to the forgot password page. As you can see, we should provide our registered email. Let's try entering an incorrect email. Click Save. The error message appears invalid email. Now let's enter our registered email and then click Send. The success message appears. Password resets. Instructions have been sent to your inbox. Now let's check our email inbox. As you can see, we receive an email from the blog. This email I used to send a password reset instruction. We click reset password link in the email. We redirected to the password reset page. Let's choose a new password. This is the old password. New password is confirm new password. We click continue. We are redirected to the login page. Let's enter our email and new password. Click continue. As you can see, we successfully log in. Now we will be exploring the app in its dark mode. First, let's navigate to the setting page. From there, we will select customization settings and switch to the dark mode. And there we have it. The entire app has now switched to the dark mode. Let's take a closer look at some of the pages and see how they look in this mode. Here is setting page in the dark mode. Next, let's check out the profile page. It creates post page. And see also the edit page. Let's move on the home page. Here is the page for specific posts. Reading list page. Tags page. And page for specific tags. Finally, let's take a look at the search page. Post tags. We have now reached the conclusion of our demo. I hope you have found this informative and enjoyable. Thank you for watching.